welcome back to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be testing out a Magnolia Table cookbook recipe. It's her creamed corn spoonbread. I'm not from the South. I've never been to anywhere further south than Colorado. So hearing about spoonbread for the first time was very odd. I had no idea what it was. I had no idea what to expect. And when I made it, I was like, am I doing this right? This looks weird. Why is it called spoonbread? So I just wanted to make it, okay? So we're gonna go over how the recipe says it's made, and then at the end of the video, I will give a taste test, let you know if it's love at first bite. And so, I will leave a link to the cookbook and Amazon link so that you can get it no matter where you live and make this recipe if you want it. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. My first step was to get a stick of butter into my pot to melt it so that I can make Paula Deen just a little proud. And then I added in a can of drained corn and a can of creamed corn and mixed that all together. I don't know why this was a separate step, but then I added in the sour cream and used my sour cream container to mix in 2 eggs. Just to be resourceful. And then I added in the melted butter and mixed it all together. And once it was all mixed and looking kind of not very pretty, I added in the box of Jiffy corn mix and mixed that all in. And as I was mixing this, it didn't really look different. Like, it didn't look like I added anything in. And I was like, okay. So I added it to my buttered baking dish and leveled it all out. And then baked it until a knife inserted 2 inches from the middle came out clean. Then it was done. Okay, so it's cool. It smells great. I'm excited. I'm ready to dig in and let you know if it's love at first bite. Ugh, I'm like salivating right now. This is so freaking good. You guys, this is like a creamy bread pudding meets cornbread. Like, the texture makes me want to keep taking bites because it's so like luxuriously creamy, and the pops of the corn are like delicious little nuggets of sweetness, and it's just I want to like amp it up and add in some like green chilies. I don't know why. I love spicy food, and sweet and spicy is like because I think that would add a really good like twist, you know? But as it is, it's still freaking phenomenal. Like, I want you guys to get this just so you can make this. Like, I want everybody to know how to make this because it would go well. Like, we had it for Easter. It would go great like with a barbecue. You could have it for Thanksgiving and Christmas and just really any get together. This would be great. Like, this is just such a versatile, delicious, like winner every time kind of side dish. I'm gonna get out of here so I don't eat all of this before dinner. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I appreciate your time. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here for more recipes tested, and leave a comment down below if you have anything else that you want tested. And I will see you guys with my next video. Bye.